Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a video of an unboxing of some of the materials that I got from Wholesale Supplies Plus. This is not a sponsored video. I thought about getting you all along to see the unboxing because there are a few fragrance oils and a few lip flavoring oils in this, and I wanted to show you all what it is like. So maybe if you like what you hear from me, you can go ahead and buy it, or when I make the products with those, you can see what it looks like. So I will unbox and I will show you all the things that I have, and I will let you all know what the fragrance oils and the flavoring oils smell like. So let's go to the unboxing. So this is the box. Let's open and see what we have in this. I buy things from Wholesale Supplies Plus a lot, especially when they have sales, and most of the things that I have in here was on sale. So I have the list here. So I have these lip balm tubes. These are 48 of them in this, and you have to buy the cover separately. So these are another 48 pieces. Then I buy these jars with these lids. I use these for my body, for my sugar scrubs actually. So I always wanted a thermometer like this. I have one, but I don't know if that is really accurate. So I got this. This was on sale, so I got this at a cheaper price. I got this like for $20.29. I have this Slick Fix oil locking powder. From what I know about this on their website, it says that it's nice to be used in body butters and in creams and lotions. So I'm going to be trying this. This was also on sale, so I got this also at a discounted price. I have this. Let me see if is it the So this, I'm not sure if it is the fragrance oil or if it is the lip flavoring. Let me get to this and see what it is. So these are the fragrance oils. This is bamboo teak, and this is baby sharks, and these are the flavor oils. So this is classic watermelon. These are sweetened versions. I've never tried sweetened versions. I want to see how they will be in a lip balm. This is menthol, and this is also the sweetened version, so I need to see how they will be. I'm not sure. Never tried them. Let me see how the bamboo teak, how is the fragrance. Oh, this smells wonderful. It's a very, very beautiful scent. I can't get enough of this. Oh my god. I can surely smell the teak. So it does have a 0.4% of vanillin, so I'm not sure if it will discolor. But trust me, I can't get enough of this. This is a nice masculine kind of a fragrance. So I'm surely going to be trying this in some sugar scrubs, in some body butters, and maybe some soap. This is called Baby Shark's fragrance oil. I was intrigued by this because of the song Baby Shark. This smells really nice. Reminds me of the shampoos that my daughter used to use as a kid. A very sweet, nice fragrance. My daughter used to have a lot of Barbie products, so she used to have shampoos and body lotions and all, and I don't know, it reminds me of one of those. I'm not sure which one, but this will surely go into one of the kids' bath bombs. And it has no vanillin, so it's not going to discolor, but this is a beautiful, beautiful, nice fragrance. My daughter used to also have a perfume with this, I mean same Barbie thing, but she had a perfume also in the same fragrance. Very nice. This is the first time I'm actually buying fragrance oils or flavoring oils from Crafter's Choice. That means wholesale supplies plus, and I'm really happy with what I can smell. This is the sweetened flavor oil called Classic Melon. I'm not sure. I don't smell watermelon though. But I don't know, maybe, you know, when I put it in a lip balm, maybe it'll have a different kind of a fragrance. This suddenly gave me the feeling of some kind of a medicine, but maybe, you know, the medicine had watermelon flavoring, I don't know. It's not bad, I mean, but since it's just out of the bottle, I'm not sure. So maybe, you know, when I try to use it in a lip balm, maybe it won't give me the medicine but a more subtle. And this is the sweetened menthol flavoring oil. Yeah, this is purely menthol. It gives me the feeling of one of the things you have for the throat, the medicines, the cough drops that you have for your throat, like a Halls or something. So that this really gives me that fragrance. Yeah, it's pure menthol. So that one. So these two I am going to be using in my summer line of lip balms, with a couple of others that I have from Nature's Garden. So that's it. These are all the things that I got from Wholesale Supplies Plus. When I will be using these things in my products, I will get to you all. I will show you all how they act and how they smell in the products. So till then, see you all. Bye bye.